Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world. Our first question: MS Word is an example of an operating system, a processing device, application software and input device. Answer C. Application software. Microsoft Word or MS Word is an application software developed by the company Microsoft. Question 2. Control, Shift and Alt are called dash key. Modifier, function, alphanumeric, adjustment. Answer A. Modifier. Modifier key includes Alt, Control, Shift and the Windows key. Next. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the dash. Compiler, loader, operating system, assembler. Answer C. Operating system. Operating system is the system software. Without an operating system, a computer cannot boot. Next. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into track and sector. Tracking, formatting, crashing, alerting. Answer B. Formatting. The process of dividing the disk into track and sectors is called as formatting. Next. Microsoft Office is an example of a closed source software, open source software, horizontal market software, vertical market software. Answer C. Horizontal market software. Horizontal market software is also known as productivity software such as email, payroll, operating system, spreadsheet, etc. Next, dash are attempts by individual to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. Phishing tips, computer virus, phishing schemes, spyware schemes. Answer C. Phishing schemes. Next. Where is RAM located? Motherboard, expansion board, external drive, none. Answer A. Motherboard. RAM is located in the central processing unit. CPU is located inside the computer case on the motherboard. Next. A dash is a software program used to view web pages, site, host, link, browser. Answer D. Browser. Next. Question 9. The computer's processor consists of the following parts: CPU and main memory, hard disk and floppy disk, control unit and ALU, arithmetic logic unit, operating system and application. Answer: control unit and ALU. Next. Several computers linked to a server to share programs and storage space dash. Networks, grouping, library, integrated system. Answer A. Network. Next, which of the following is a popular programming language for developing multimedia web pages? COBOL, Java, Basic, Assembler. Answer B. Java. Java is a general purpose computer programming language that is specially designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Next, the first computer was programmed using assembly language, machine language, specific code, source code. Answer B. Machine language. Next, a computer consists of motherboard, hard disk drive, central processing unit, all of the above. Answer D. All of the above. The computer consists motherboard, hard disk, central processing unit, all. Next, junk email is also called spam, spoof, sniffer script, spool. Answer A. Spam. Junk email is also called as spam. Next, by default, your document print in dash mode, landscape, portrait, page setup, print view. Answer B. Portrait. Next, storage capacity of magnetic disks depends on disk pack in disk surface, track per inch of surface, bit per inch of tracks, all of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Next, the box that contains the central electronic component of the computer is the motherboard, system unit, peripheral, RAM. Answer B. System unit. Next, the first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called supercomputer, abacus, calculator, analytical engine. Answer D. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage was a British mathematician. Next, to make the number of pad act as a directional arrow, we press num lock, caps lock, arrow lock, shift. Answer D. Shift. Next, question 19. C, Basic, COBOL and Java are example of dash language. Low level programming, computer, high level. Answer D. High level. All of these high level language. Next, a dash is approximately 1 billion bytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes. None of these. Answer B. Gigabytes. Next, the term dash designated equipment that might be added to a computer system to enhance its functionality. Digital device, system add-on, disk pack, peripheral device. Answer D. Peripheral device. Next, in MICR, C stands for code, color, computer, character. Answer D. Character. Next, which key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task? Function, spacebar, arrow, control. Answer D. Control. Next, which of the following software application would be the most appropriate for programming numerical and statistical calculations? Database, document processor, graphic package, spreadsheet. Answer D. Spreadsheet. Next, the basic operation programmed by a computer are logical operation, storage and relative, arithmetic operation, all of the above. Answer D. All the above. Next, what characteristic of read-only memory ROM makes it useful? ROM information can be easily updated. Data in ROM non-volatile, that is, it remains free even without electrical power. ROM provides very large amount of inexpensive data storage. ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computers. Answer B. Data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains free even without electrical power. Next, merge cell option can be applied from Format Cell dialog box, alignment tab, formatting toolbar, both of above, none of above. Answer A. Format Cell dialog box, alignment tab. Next, which of the following refers to a small single site network? LAN, DSL, RAM, USB. Answer A. LAN, local area network. Next, USB is which type of storage device? Tertiary, secondary, primary, auxiliary. Answer B. Secondary. Next, storage which store or retain data after power off is called dash. Volatile storage, non-volatile storage, sequential storage, direct storage. Answer B. Non-volatile storage. So parents, thank you again to stay with me, and a cordial request, if you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for our future notification. Thank you all.